Good morning, everyone. I am going to give an introduction to accounting. In our day-to-day life, we use cash for every transaction. Maintaining cash is important one. Today's class focus definition of accounting, branches of accounting, accounting cycle, classification of accounts, and then golden rules. Now we can see definition of accounting, which was given by American Accounting Association. According to American Accounting Association, accounting is the process of identifying, measuring, communicating economic information to permit judgment and decisions by the users of accounts. Here, accounting is a process. Why accounting is the process means it involves number of steps. So accounting is a process. What may be the steps involved in accounting is identifying, measuring, and communicating. Here identifying means the first step of accountant is, first of all, they have to identify whether it is a personal account or real account or nominal account, and then they have to measure how much amount of money should be involved in transaction. After that, they have to communicate to the needed people. Who are the needed peoples means shareholders, government, public, society, or the needed peoples. They need accounts for taking decisions and judgment. This is the definition of accounts. Then we go for branches of accounting. Branches of accounting, there are three branches of accounting. First one is financial accounting. Second one is cost accounting. Third one is management accounting. In case of first one, financial accounting, from financial accounting, we should know the financial position of the concern. Second one, cost accounting. Each and every manufacturing concern have to prepare cost accounting for the purpose of ascertaining cost to fix the price of a product. Third one, management accounting. From the information of financial accounting and cost accounting, we have to prepare marketing policies and management policies with the help of management accounting. Then accounting cycle. Here accounting cycle start with transaction and end with final accounts. Here transaction means a transfer of money from one place to another place. That is called transaction. Journal means, journal is a day-to-day transaction, recording of day-to-day transaction. Ledger refers to accounts. It's a summary of a personal account, particular account. Yes, it should be based on the requirements of the company. Then based on the ledger, we have to prepare trial balance. Trial balance is nothing. It's a statement of debit and credit balances. From from TB, we can prepare final accounts. Final accounts consist of three parts, that is trading account, profit and loss account, and balance sheet. Trading account, the result of trading account is gross profit or gross loss. Then profit and loss account, the second stage of final account is profit and loss account. From profit and loss account, we can find out net profit or net loss. Then last one is balance sheet. Balance sheet is nothing. It's a statement of assets and liabilities position. Classifications of accounts. Accounts are classified into two types, that is personal account and impersonal account. In case of impersonal account, the rules of personal account is debit the receiver and credit the giver. First, we should debit the receiver. Suppose When X deposited cash into bank, bank should be debited, cash should be credited. Then in case of impersonal accounts are non-personal. It is classified into two types, that is real account and nominal account. The golden rules of real account is debit what comes in and credit what goes out. It deals with tangible and intangible assets. Suppose when we purchase the tangible assets, in case of, for example, when machinery is purchased, machinery should be debited and cash should be credited. Then the last one is nominal account. Nominal account, it deals with expenses, losses, profit and gains. The golden rules of nominal account is debit all expenses and losses, credit all income and gain. For example, when cash paid for rent, which means rent should be debited and cash should be credited. That is, we have to write rent account data to cash account. That's all. Hope you understand. Thank you.